introduction and write numbers 61 to 70.
Students, see in this chart. How many bits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 bits. How many bits? 10. बच्चों देखो इस चार्ट में यहाँ पर बिट्स है. कितने बिट्स है ये? 10 बिट्स है. और ये जो एरो है ये हमें क्या बता रहा है? ये 10 बिट्स को हमने इस धागे में बांध दिया. देखो इस धागे में कितने बिट्स है? काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जब 10 बिट्स को इकट्ठा एक साथ बांध दिया जाता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं 1/10. When we tie 10 bits in a chain, we call them 1/10. जब हमने इसको चेन में बांध दिया है तो यहाँ पर कोई सिंगल बिट्स है क्या? नहीं है ना. तो उसके यूनिट को क्या कहते हैं? कितनी यूनिट है अभी यहाँ? 0. जब 10 वस्तुओं को इकट्ठा बांध देते हैं और कुछ भी सिंगल बिट्स या वस्तु नहीं बचती है तो हमारा यूनिट 0 रहता है. तो 10s कैसे बनते हैं? 10 वस्तुओं को, किसी भी चीज़ को एक साथ बांधने पर 1/10 बनता है. Students, see in this chart how many bits of chain? 1/10 plus 1/10, 2/10, 2/10 plus 1/10, 3/10, 3/10 plus 1/10, 4/10, 4/10 plus 1/10, 5/10, 5/10 plus 1/10, 6/10. How many 10s in this chart? 6 10s. When we open first bits of chain, we got 10 bits. When open second chain of bits, we got 10 bits. 10 plus 10, 20 bits. When open third chain of bits, we got 10 bits. 20 plus 10, 30 bits. When open fourth chain of bits, we got 10 bits. 30 plus 10, 40 bits. When we open fifth chain of bits, we got 10 bits. 40 plus 10, 50 bits. When we open sixth chain of bits, we got 10 bits. 50 plus 10, 60 bits. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenths is equal to 60. 6 tenths is equal to 60. Student, see in this chart how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. And how many single stick? 1. 6 tens, 1 unit. 6 tens, 1 unit. 61. 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of stick and 2 single sticks. 6 tens, 2 unit. 6 tens, 2 units. 62. 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3. 3 single sticks. 6 tens, 3 units. 6 tens, 3 units. 63. 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single sticks. 6 tens, 4 units. 6 tens, 4 units. 64. 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 single sticks. 6 tens, 5 units. 6 tens, 5 units. 65. 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 single sticks. 6 tens, 6 units. 6 tens, 6 units. 66. 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single sticks. 6 tens, 7 units. 6 tens, 7 units. 67. 67. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 single sticks. 6 tens, 8 units. 6 tens, 8 units. 68. 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single sticks. 6 tens, 9 units. 69. 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bundles of sticks. Single sticks is no one here. 7 tens, 0 unit. 7 tens, 70. 70. Students, you listen carefully and repeat after me. 6 tens, 1 unit. 6 tens, 1 unit. 61. 61. 6 tens, 2 units. 6 tens, 2 unit. 62. 62. 6 tens, 3 units. 6 tens, 3 units. 63. 63. 6 tens, 4 units. 6 tens, 4 units. 64. 64. 6 tens, 5 units. 6 tens, 5 units. 65. 6 tens, 6 units. 6 tens, 6 units. 66. 66. 6 tens, 7 units. 6 tens, 7 units. 67. 67. 6 tens, 8 units. 6 tens, 8 units. 68. 68. 6 tens, 9 units. 69. 6 tens, 9 units. 69. 69. 7 tens, 0 unit. 7 tens, 70. 70.
Listen carefully. Repeat and write numbers 61 to 70. 61. SIXTYONE 1. 61. 62. SIXTYTWO 2. 62. 63. SIXTYTHREE 63. 64. SIXTYFOUR 64. 65. SIXTYFIVE 65. 66. SIXTYSIX 66. 67. seven. SIXTY SEVEN. 67. 68. SIXTYEIGHT. 68. 69. SIXTYNINE. 69. 70. SEVENTY. 70.